Hello. So I'm just gonna get into it because I'm hungry. I got my food over there. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. And I'm also going to be doing a review on this energy, I don't know if y'all can see it, of this energy beauty bar, okay? So I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I'm gonna show you how to do my eyebrows, and then we're gonna do this review. Y'all know the shiz. Go ahead, like and subscribe. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna take some coconut oil and I'm going to apply them. I also have my handy dandy mirror here. Yeah, it's so cute. I got this thing at Walmart. It was like $12 and it's marble. So I'm gonna take, just a little bit and just make sure y'all can still see me. Hello. Yeah, I've been doing my eyebrows for about forever. Forever, I wanna be forever yours. Like the little thing, this thing, which you can get at Dollar General for like $2 or whatever. So first, I like to start with the top. So I'm gonna start with that. It's gonna be hard. I should have had like another tape. Oh well. So I'm just gonna take this and just hold on. Okay. And I'm just going to make the top of my eyebrow shape. What y'all been doing? Just, get all the little stray hairs. Hold on, I gotta put my head down just for a little bit. I really haven't done my brows in like, hold on, in like 2 weeks. So they have been needing a touch up for the longest. Yeah, I went to see Lion King last night. It was amazing. Beyonce was amazing, of course. That's the main reason why I went. But y'all lying if y'all, like Timon and Pumbaa, like they really played that fucking part. I forgot who played them, but I was dying laughing in the movie theater. But y'all, there was this crying ass baby. I'm like, girl, if you don't shut your baby up, like your baby is 2 years old. Shut the baby up. And the dude behind was like, can you take him outside already? I'm like, period. Period, Pooh. Take that crying ass baby out here. Shoot, I was getting aggravated. Like, I was like, really aggravated. I'm like, why would you even bring a baby to the movie theaters? What they finna watch? And every time Nala came out, lion, shut up. We know it's a lion. We know. Aggravating. Like, I blame the parents, the mama. Oh, and another tool you should use is also spoolie, so that way you can just, oh. And see, when you brush it, it makes a big difference. I see shit falling, but it's okay. So we're gonna keep going. I usually use baby oil, but I ran out of baby oil, so coconut oil will suffice, or whatever. I like my brows to be crisp and clean as much as possible, because a nice eyebrow shape will give the girls everything. Now the bottom part is really, really tricky. So I usually pull the eyebrow up and I go up. That way I can see like a little line of where I stopped at. Like it's like my little guideline that I can go off of. And so I just, can y'all see? I don't think y'all can see. Y'all can't see. But y'all can see when I get done. I'm explaining it. So you just keep going up. Okay, now y'all can see. Good. So, ouch. Yeah, if I cut myself, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. Which I have. I always cut myself when I do my brows. And then once you get like to the archy part, bitch, ooh, and a ooh, can just make that arch however you want it. Oh! Okay. Oh, 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 Jesus. Why does it hurt today? Why does it hurt? Baby girl. Why does it hurt just a little bit? Oh my gosh. Okay, my hand is starting to get slippery. And oh! Baby! When I tell you. Oh, gee. Should have bought a Honda. Oh, I almost cut my eyeball out. Like, y'all don't like this shit was like right there. I almost cut my eyeball out. I would have been in trouble. Beginning of it, I just swipe. Yes, honey. Okay. It looks better than what it did. Shoot. But I think I want my tail to be like a little skinnier, so. You can also like angle the blade just a little bit. Like, my hand is sweaty, clammy. What the? Clammy. 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 You ever said the word so much that it started to sound weird? Clammy. 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 It's also nice to stretch your skin. Gosh! Ugh! Melissa's just called me. Hold on. Melissa's called me. Girl, wait. I'm trying to film a video. You calling in the middle. Messing up my judge. See, now I gotta... Just a little bit. Yeah, my food is gonna be... Hold on, because I really want to eat.
I made shrimp tortilla. This is an intermission, by the way. Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh my boy. Let me see. Let me see what this is giving. Trying to do my own thing, and I'm starting to figure it out. Okay, can I see the difference? If not, oh well. I can tell. Dizzy Dora holds out and laid y'all to rest. Game over. This is checkers, baby. You playing chess. Okay, I'm satisfied. No, I'm gonna do the other side. Off camera. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my scissors. Okay, take my scissors. Stop. And I'm just going to take my spoolie, take my little spoolie, brush the hairs up and just from the front unto the back. So am I the only one that can like see, like even if there's like one hair out of place, you can see it? I think we're done. Definitely done. I'm satisfied. Satisfied with Jesus. Satisfied with Jesus. Satisfied with Jesus in my heart. Ooh. Satisfied with Jesus. And now I take my Advantage Acne Spot Treatment and I just... This is the worst part of it all because this shit burns. Because like 99.9999999% alcohol. So I just take a little bit and I just 1, 2, 3. Y'all, that is worse than like putting alcohol over your hairline after you got your haircut. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh my God. And then after that, I am going to cleanse my face with this African Black Soap Clarifying Problem Skin Toner. with tamarind and tea tree oil. So I just spray that in my hand like that and just rub it all over like so. Oh, that felt good. This is like my favorite part of the day. Cocoa butter. Why do you use this for your eyebrows? Because bitch, I want to, okay? Your eyebrows, you can do what you want. Don't tell me how to do my brow. Because I promise you, my natural brow probably look better than your Drew on. Gotta hit them lashes. Make sure them lashes look good. Make sure them lashes look good. And then, okay, so now that that's done, so now I'm going to show you what is in this box. It is the Energy Beauty Bar. So once you open it, you have, hold on. You have the instruction, the user manual. You have this little black carrying case, and then you have the gold bar. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. So this, it is skin tightener, so it vibrates. I don't know if y'all can hear that. So, we're gonna turn it into an ASMR, right? So it's this. It's gold plated, bitch. We only do gold plated over here. Oh my god, I almost broke my mirror. Oh my god. So I don't know if y'all can hear, but life. So, oh girl. I have the African Black Soap Balancing Moisturizer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my face. I just bought it, never been opened. There's some on this little thing, so I'm just going to use this. Never mind, that is hard as fuck. Oh, it's all hard. Okay, so I'm going to apply this to my face. Oh, I like the texture. The texture is really like freaking shea butter. What is shea butter, Johnson? Okay, you don't have to come. You don't have to come for me, okay? Sheesh, you're always coming for me. Who are you? I know. Hello. And so now we're just gonna turn this on, and we're just going to go to where. Oh my god, it feels. It's like, get that T-zone. If you don't get that T-zone, then what are you doing? So this is supposed to like tighten your skin or whatever, and keep it firm, nice and firm. Whew. So that is the Energy, what is this called again? The Energy Beauty Bar. I will put the link in the description box below. I bought it off Amazon. It was like $12, $13, something like that. Where's my card at? 1 second while I apply my card. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video. Follow me on all my social media. I mostly be on Twitter and Instagram. Don't really look at that up. What? Eyebrows on fleek. Yeah, so I'm about to eat and drink. I'm about to drive the boat tonight. So, bye.